Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2416 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's exhaust gas recirculation system, also known as the EGR system. And if left unresolved, it can increase emissions, reduce engine performance, lower fuel economy, and eventually lead to costly engine repairs. What does P2416 mean? P2416 stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation System Performance Stuck Open. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the EGR valve is stuck in the open position or is allowing exhaust gases to flow when it should be closed. The EGR system is designed to send a controlled amount of exhaust gas back into the intake manifold. This helps reduce combustion temperatures and lower harmful nitrogen oxide NOx emissions. However, if the EGR valve remains open all the time, too much exhaust gas enters the engine. This reduces the amount of fresh air available for combustion, causing rough engine operation and poor performance. When the ECU detects this condition, it stores the P2416 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2416, you may notice: check engine light on, rough idle, engine stalling, poor acceleration, loss of engine power, engine hesitation, reduced fuel economy, hard starting, increased exhaust emissions, and in severe cases, the engine may stall when stopping at traffic lights. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The EGR valve is usually mounted between the exhaust manifold and the intake manifold. Many modern vehicles also include an EGR cooler, an EGR position sensor, and an EGR control solenoid. Depending on the vehicle, the EGR valve may be electronically controlled or vacuum operated. Since it constantly handles hot exhaust gases, carbon buildup is very common inside the valve. The most common causes of P2416 include: carbon buildup causing the EGR valve to stick open, faulty EGR valve, faulty EGR position sensor, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, faulty EGR control solenoid, broken vacuum lines on vacuum-operated systems, or ECU problems. In rare cases, a carbon-clogged EGR valve is the most common reason for this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional EGR-related trouble codes. Inspect the EGR valve for heavy carbon deposits. Check the wiring harness and electrical connector for damage. Monitor the EGR position sensor using a professional OBD2 scanner. Command the EGR valve to open and close with a scan tool and verify that it moves freely. Also inspect vacuum hoses if your vehicle uses a vacuum-operated EGR valve. How to fix P2416: clean the EGR valve and EGR passages. Replace the EGR valve if it is stuck or damaged. Repair damaged wiring. Replace a faulty EGR position sensor or EGR control solenoid if necessary. Repair broken vacuum hoses. Clear the code, start the engine, and perform a complete road test while monitoring live EGR data to confirm the repair. Final result: fixing P2416 will restore proper EGR valve operation, improve engine performance, eliminate rough idle and stalling, increase fuel economy, reduce harmful NOx emissions, and help your vehicle run smoothly and efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.